We've been traveling in weather that's been over 100 degrees, as high as 115. And since we're moving every other day or so, by the time we get there, the RV is all hot and we got to get it cooled down. But we only have 30 amps.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play.
Show us how we're able to run two 15,000 BTU ACs on 30 amps.
Follow me, young lady.
Okay.
There's a 30 amp circuit and a 20 amp circuit. And one air conditioner will run off of 20 amps because it only pulls 15 amps. It goes to the one air conditioner and the rest of the coach, and this one goes to the other air conditioner.
So you have isolated one AC unit.
I have. That's where I put the outlet for it.
How'd you do that?
We added a selector switch and an exterior 120 volt 20 amp RV plug.
The secret is this selector switch Dave installed. Dave had to make a few changes inside the breaker box and wire and a select switch. The full project is a little too detailed for this video. If you'd like to see the complete wiring, breaker box modifications, step-by-step installation, we've linked the full DIY video below.
Both ACs are running on 30 amps.
Thanks for rolling with Watts on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing ya. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something, and have a beer.